Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Students, today in this session we solve mock test 4. All the questions are most expected question for your annual exam 2025 class 6 mathematics DAV Public School Cuttack. We already completed up to mock test 3. If you not see the session, then you can see by click on the link in the description below. We are solving chapterized questions, already cover linear equation, then triangle and the perimeter and area. Today we solve the chapter statistics. So let's start the session. First question, representation of the data by using rectangle is called dash. Now is called bar graph, or you can say that histogram. The answer is bar graph. Next, representation of the information through the picture is called dash pictograph. The answer is pictograph. Try to solve the question in pen and paper. After see the solution, then comment your score. Full mark is 15 mark. Next question, question number 3. The tally mark, represent dash article. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 plus 2, that is 7. So there are the 7 articles. If the tally mark look like this, how many? Now here is 5 article, here is 1. So 5 plus 1, that is 6. Okay. Because tally mark in the group of 5. 4 is vertical line, 1 is inclined line. Okay. Next, question number 4. The following table shows that circulation of newspaper in the 6 language. Prepare the bar graph with the suitable scale. First of all we write the scale. So tell me. So here we write down language. And here we write down number of newspaper. Okay. Now, the scale means here check out 1400, 1600, 400 means 200 gap. Yes or no? So we can write 1 unit equal to 200 newspaper. So we can write 1 unit equal to 200 newspaper. Now first one is 1 unit, this is 200, then 400, 600, 8, 1000, 1200, 1400, 1600, 1800. Yes or no? Now the first we draw the English, that is 1400. 1400 means this one. So draw a rectangle by using scale and write down English. Okay. Now next is 1600. 1600 first skip 1 unit, then draw 600 rectangle. 1600 rectangle. Clear? This is Hindi. Now next is 400. So again skip 1, then 400. Punjabi. Then 800. Skip 1, then write 800. This is vertical bar graph. Okay. And this is Tamil. Then Odia, that is 200, and Urdu 600. Okay. Answer. Next question. All of you clear? Next. Question number 5. The number of different trees in the orchard are given below. Okay, draw a pictograph, okay, to represent the given data. 1 tree equal to 50 tree. Okay, so here we write down tree. So first is peach, apple, pear, guava, papaya. Okay, now write down number of trees. So 250 first one, then 350, then 150, 200 and 100. Okay, so here we draw the pictograph. Also write down 1 tree equal to 50 tree. Clear? So tell me, in first box, in peach, how many tree will be draw? So total is 250 divided by 1 tree equal to 50. So divided, 0 0 cancel, 5 5, that means 5 tree will be draw. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now next, 350 means 7. So first is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Next one, 150. 150 means 3. So first, second and third. 200. 200 means 200 divided by 50, that is 4. So 4 tree. Now 2 tree. Clear? Complete. Next question and the last question. What does the pictograph represent? Okay, number of the different classes of different student, means different student in different classes. Okay, so answer is number of students in different classes. Okay, sorry, different classes, no, different section of class 6. B number, what is the strength of B section strength? So 1 is 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 10s are 50. So B number is 50 strength, 50 students. How many students are represented by one picture? So one picture means 10 students. So option number C, answer is 10. How many students are there in the section D? Section D, 1, 2, 3, 4 means 4 10s are 40. So D number is 40 students. But strength of the section D is 40 students. Clear? If you like the session, then you can subscribe my channel. Also click the bell icon. When I upload the video, then you can notify. Okay. Also comment your score in comment box. If you want to download the PDF, then you can join my WhatsApp or Telegram group. Link in the description below. Thank you.